no, here. I need to use this one. Because you use this one. Because you said this one's better for you, right?
Yeah. Okay, now...
This is... Say this
now...
No, say it.
Yeah, this is called Top 5 Tricks.
Impossible tricks.
Yeah, Top 5 Tricks or Impossible Tricks. Yeah, you can call it Impossible Tricks. Yeah, Top 10 most insane... No, Top 5 most insane tricks, Part 4. Now...
Okay, now, here's the first trick. Look at me, guys. That was his first trick. Between these legs, like, I'll show you guys. Wait. Just hold up. Wait, hold up. Like those are too hard for me. So short. Here's this for second trick. Wait. Oh, God, hold up. Oh, see? Like, okay, fast mode. See that? I can turn it. Okay? Here's the second trick.
No, the third.
Yeah, third trick. Bunny hop, that means this, guys. So be bunny hop. You bunny hop it. Like, bunny hop it. See that? That's bunny hop. Number 4.
Spinning on your toe. It's hard for him.
No, or, I don't know. Wait, no, ready, guys? No, guys, I think we figured a new one. Yes, that's the 4th one. That's a 4th one. Spin on your back wheel or toe.
Yeah, this is my heel.
And here's the last one. Guys, here's the last one.
Spinning on your nose.
Yes.
Like, oh my God. So cool.
Raiden, look, watch. Raiden. Okay, guys, that's all it for that's the 5 impossible tricks. Maybe you can learn on.
And we have a 6th trick. I need to do it. This is just
wait. Okay, I did.
Okay. Now this is just an added 6th trick for fidgeters. Do you want to learn it, guys?
Indeed.
Yeah. This trick is the last trick of them all, and it is called the spinel of spinning. You know that? The spinel of spinning? Do you know how you do this? You do this.
Okay, guys, that's the 6th one, guys. Oh my gosh, look. Okay, ready, guys? Point at, okay?
Wait, now you have to hold it. I'm gonna show
so
it. You press the red button when I'm ready. I'm ready. Yeah, this is what Andrew was doing.
No, I wasn't doing that. I was doing this. Throw it and then the other one. Like, I'll show you. Guys,
now do it.
Guys, it's so cool when you look at it, right?
Yeah, it is.
So, guys, that's it for the amazing...
But this, we need to tell you one more thing. Yeah. This is the 7th trick and
this is...
Yeah, this is the bonus trick. And you have to spin it on your elbow. It's spinning on your elbow. OMG. Bye.